What's up, guys? Just wanted to make a quick video to kind of show you guys how to be able to pretty much find stocks before they run by using just this one simple trick, because a lot of you guys asked me about this on one of the runners we have last week. So I'm just going to kind of break it down to you how I was able to profit off of that, and just kind of show you guys what to look out for so you can know when the next time you see something like that, start to load up. Let's check it out. Alright guys, so the stock I'm talking about here is VAX, VAXX, and last week this thing took a pretty big run. As you can see here, and we profited a lot of this in the chat room, in the group's chats based on the alerts. But I also want to kind of give you guys just a reason of why this thing kind of ran and what kind of helped propel it. Okay, and basically what it was is that over the last 2 days or so, right before the run up, we had a lot of insider buying happening with chairmen and executives buying up a lot of the stock here. As you can see here, it pretty much started on April 27th. And again, happened again in April 28th, pretty much the day after, where a lot of loading up was taking place. And you can see here, based on this chart here, this is showing you the beginning of April 27th. Pretty much this is where the accumulation started. And then all of a sudden, the day after, on the 29th, after all that loading up was done, this thing shot up that same day and pretty much, allowed you guys to be able to profit off of that, which hopefully a lot of you did with the alerts. But I just wanted to kind of show you the reasoning of why this, happened right here. Now, of course, all insider buying doesn't always mean that. However, if you see insider buying happening, one day, then the next day, it's a pretty strong signal that something like that is going to happen and the stock is going to take off fairly soon. Okay, let me show you guys how to look that up to be able to, check it out yourself. So what you want to do is go to finviz.com, and you're going to click on Insider. And here's going to take you to all these transactions that shows you all the insider buying and all the insider selling. So you can kind of get a glimpse on what's going on. You can also filter it out if you wanted to by buying transactions and selling transactions. And of course, the reason why this happens is because, SEC guidelines means that you have to actually, file publicly when you have large shares of, stocks and securities being, bought or sold, just for, public transparency. But, now this is something that you can use to your advantage when you're in the process of trading or even investing. You can kind of see where the big guys are going, and you can do the same thing. Okay? Like and follow for more.